So guys, on our CAD JPY, as we can see, first of all, let's sit on our JPY index. Now you can see this is exactly what I am planning for our JPY index to be moving. A bullish move, as we can see here, a pullback, a bullish move. Now we are on a pullback level here, as we can see it here for the day, which is on the 4th. So on the 5th, we are expecting our price to open bullish and continue to go bullish. Exactly what we are seeing, as this is a key level here whereby it will be a legitimate pullback area. And I think also a key level here, if you are to sit probably on 1 hour time or 4 hour time frame, I think it should be here. We've analyzed this place also, legitimate area here. We can see it legitimate when we add a 4, we add a pullback to this area, continue our 4. When we were going bullish, we add a pullback to this area, so a legitimate key level here. As we can see on our 4, we add a pullback, another legitimate key level here. So on our 4 hour time frame, this is a key level area here I am marking for our JPY should start going bullish. As you can see, it now start opening bullish move, by the way. So as our JPY index is going bullish, any pair we are trading it to should fall. Now we can see it on our CADJPY. On our CADJPY, on our daily time frame, we've had this 4. Now I'm seeing here as a pullback. It is now time for us to actually start going bearish again. Now sit on our 4 hour time frame. You can see it. I'll analyze it. We see a 4. We are going to analyze here as an area here where our price would pull back, a legitimate area. Here we can see a key level here, a key level here. So we are expecting a 4 here on our CADJPY. So it depends on when you are watching this this video, but this analysis is for the 5th. So we are expecting a 4 against our JPY index. That is my analysis. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.